This thing is serious, dog. This is serious. Satan is every day trying to kill all of y'all. He throwing stuff at you every single day to distract you from reading your word, to distract you from getting in your Bible, to cause beef between you and your brothers, to cause beef between you and your parents. Some of y'all got drama at home that y'all acting like it's cool, but you don't want to tell nobody about. You ain't talked to your mom in a couple days. That's not how God would have it. But if you think you're going to come on a Tuesday to hear about God and the devil's just going to sit by and chill and be okay with that, he been working on some of y'all for a long time. Matter of fact, some of y'all working with him and don't even know it. I'll say that again. Some of you are partnered with the devil and are rocking with him every single day. And his job is to make sure that you don't even know it.